Hello everyone, today I am excited to introduce Homaxi's new product, the S-Series Active Deterrence Camera. Available in both 5 megapixel and 8 megapixel resolution with options for white or black housing. First, let me highlight some key features of this camera. It includes red and blue flashing lights, warm lights and built-in microphone and speaker. You can use the Homaxi app to watch and talk to people directly, as well as arm and disarm all the installed cameras with a single click. The camera is securely mounted to walls or ceilings with tamper-resistant brackets designed to prevent easy removal or repositioning, ensuring it remains fixed in place. Installation is very convenient, taking only a few moments to complete. You can watch the full video on our YouTube channel. Interested in a trial? Please contact our authorized distributor to request the camera today.